Today I am going to discuss about how to call a multiple API by using async await in SwiftUI. How to call a multiple API by using async await in SwiftUI. So first of all, we are tell you about async await in SwiftUI. Introduce asynchronous async functions into Swift, allowing us to run complex asynchronous code. Almost is. If it is were asynchronous, this is a done into two steps. So marking async function with the new async keyword, then calling the using the await keyword, and then calling the function using the await keyword, and similar to the other languages such as C# and JavaScript to see the assignment. So we're gonna call simple code in this way. The first is create on this jokes model and jokes model is the one API call on this model, and it's jokes view model in this jokes view model, and this is API session manager. This is fetch jokes in this fetch jokes in the API calling this fetch jokes. Okay, and in this URL and in this jokes, this is a suppose we can achievement on this data like largest type and other statements in this UI suppose which have on this data. And so API session manager view model, and we can this is one API, and with another calling on this here, this is a multiple calling on this API, and we can create on this multiple calling here, so we can create on this another model in this API. Suppose which have we can check on this API, and which have on this check on this API in this in this API. Suppose which have on the API free top 10 API in this Google's, and achievement in this code access in this API by using async await in Swift. Suppose we can use async await in Swift. Support in this gyptum and random and jokes. Suppose we have a gyptum API, and gyptum API in this postcode. This is the 37, and this country United States and country abbreviation is US. This is a 3 property only in this access. In this only 3 property access in this API. So we're gonna create on this model. And so in this jokes API, and in this gyptum, so in this API, in this gyptum API user, JX API user. Okay, and we're gonna create on this structure, and in this structure, suppose which have in this structure is gyptum. Suppose this is a user model, not in this is gyptum, but it is gyptum. Suppose not apply in gyptum. Suppose this is a person, not this is a person model, which have a person model, and which is type of codable, and we can create on this codable. We're gonna create on this property. Suppose this is a post code, and we can use a var post code, which is type of string, but is post code not apply on this post code. This is a suppose this is a post code, this is a code. Okay, which is type of string, and in this optional string, and we're gonna achievement of last string. This is a country, so this is a person country, and of person country, which is type of string, and in this optional string, and we're gonna apply this var whichever element. This is a country abbreviation. Suppose this is a person country, which have a country abbreviation, which is type of string and optional. So in this Google API achievement on this code, this is a postcode different letters united in so country difference and country abbreviation. So we're gonna create on this in this situation, solve in this situation by using coding keys. So we can create on this enum, and which have in this coding keys, which is confirm on this string raw value, and in this coding key protocol. and we're gonna create on this enum. So this is the first case is, suppose we get first case is post code, and this first case is code, and we can achievement on this code, and second code is suppose which have a person country, second case is person country and person country, and we can create on this is a third case is suppose this is a person whichever in the person, and in this second case is person country abbreviation. Okay, and in this value suppose we can same code in this API, in this coding key is the same key in this API. This is a code in this post code key, and which have achievement on this next. This is a country, and same on this country key. In this US, this is the same in this country key, and in this same UI in this country abbreviation in this US. This country is US and United States, and 331 of this country key. Okay, we're gonna achievement on this country abbreviation. So we're gonna model create in this complete. Okay, model create in this complete. Okay, and which have a first is API session manager. First API is fetch data API, fetch data. So in this jokes API fetch data, in this jokes API fetch data calling, and we can calling another API function and fetch, which have in this fetch, and this is the fetch jokes, but it's not in the fetch joke. This is a fetch person, fetch person, and this function no parameter, and this function no parameter. In this function async marks, by using async mark and throw in this throws, and return in this data, which have a written in this data optional. Okay, and we're gonna create on this URL, same process in this URL. So let URL person and is equal to, we can assign the URL which have type of string initializers, and we're gonna URL achievement on this URL. Suppose which have achievement on this URL zip potom URL. We can use zip potom, copy in this URL, and achievement in this our code URL session. This create on this, and this URL is force unwrap in this URL. Okay, and we're gonna create on this data. So let we're gonna create on this data. Suppose we show data, and this data is person. Data is persons, and data is persons. We can calling on this try and await function, and calling on this URL session. This is a third party API downloading manager, downloading manager. URL session dot shared dot data, and sorry, we can achievement dot data, and from which have dot data. So URL achievement of the URL persons, and not apply on this delegate. This is not apply on this delegate. Okay, and return in this function data, return data person. So in this API fetch data person. In this API fetch data person, which have a fetch data person. Okay, so calling on this API. So in this our we can create on this view model, same property in this view model in this API. Okay, so we can URL persons in this cannot convert of optional argument URL request, but just check in this issue. And whichever you can create on this URL person. So cannot convert URL expected argument type URL request. In this check on this issue, but it's not apply on this issue, and command shift K, but it's not required in this issue. Oh, so in this issue check on this in this issue, but in this UI issue, but it's not apply on this UI issue, and URL session API and calling on this API. This suppose this is a data persons and URL person, but its problem, what is URL person? This is a persons which have can apply. This is a persons. Sorry, we can calling this for initializer in this from, and we can calling on this URL persons, and delegate is remove in this delegate, and remove this delegate. This is not applying this s, but it's not applying this s. URL person. Okay, this from initializing this from in this data and this from in this initializer, and this is a data person data in this statement of this data person. Okay, and command shift K, and achievement in this error for to achievement in this error, but it's not achievement in this error, so cannot convert data type in this data optional. So in this return statements data user, but is check in this data type on return statement, but not return statement data user, no, so data optional. Oh, sorry, we can use of date, so we can use of data optional. This issue on sorry in this issue, but it's not requirement in this issue, in this problem in this UI, but it's not in this problem. So we're gonna call in our API calling in this complete, and API calling in this complete. So we're gonna create on this view model, jokes view model. We're gonna first API in this call is same step, and we're gonna same in this published property. So in this published property @published, and same is jokes model. Suppose we're gonna create on this property, and we can var, we can assume this is a person, model is equal to person model, which are calling on this object person model, and either published var, so person which is type of person model, and is equal to person model. Okay, which have created on this published property in this observable object. So we can call it same initializer initialize in this properties. So initialize in this property, and initialize in this property. So initializing this property, and first is initializing this property self dot person is equal to person. Okay, we can self initialize in this property, and fetch jokes in this function, API calling on this function, this call API jokes, and you can same call API in this jokes. So let in this data and person data person calling on this API, and is equal to try optional and await. So API calling on the singleton API session manager dot shared dot fetch user API. Okay, fetch user API in this calling on this method. So fetch call API person, call API jobs. Okay, and this decode on this data. So same in this decode on this data. So in this decode in this data, but it's not in this uppercase in this decode in this data, and same is decode data into model person, and which have decode data in this model person, and decode data into model, this is a jobs. Okay, two API in this call. So this is a data, so we can get into let decode data person, and it's calling this try optional, and this is a we can create on JSON decoder, and this we can create on this JSON decoder instance dot decode on this data. So in this first is we can assign achievement on this person model dot self, fill in this data, and data we can create with data person, which is data person. Sorry, we can achievement on this data person, and this otherwise condition is nil. You can use empty data initialize object. Okay, so data is in this variable data is fill. Okay, and we're gonna initialize in this properties. So we can use self fill in into data, and we can implement the fill data into model. Okay, and we can use self dot person dot first is code, and equal to we can create on the decode data person dot code. Okay, and we can call the same old properties. Suppose this is a person as per self dot person, and we can achievement on this is a person country, and we can achievement on this code this decode data person dot country. Okay, and same is another initialize property dot is a country as person country abbreviation, and is equal to data decode person data decode data person dot person abbreviation. Okay, which are calling initialize on this all property 33 property in this initializer, but it's not in this way. So we're gonna create on this shift UI view and show in this screen. We're gonna create on this shift UI view, show on this. So command and we're gonna call in this shift UI view. This is a user show view data user data show view. So user data show view. Okay, we're gonna create user data show, and first of all we're gonna create the observe we can achievement of the observable object. This is a observed object. So this is the observed object var, and in this we can calling on this model jokes VM model. So but this is a view model, view model VM, which is type of jokes view model. This is a jokes VM. This is jokes VM. Jokes VM model. We can preview assign on this element in this, but do not assign this element. So jokes VM is on jokes view model, and this is a jokes VM. This is a jokes view model, and in this achievement is person. This is a person view model, and this jokes is a jokes model. Initializing this property jokes model, and this activity indicator is equal to 4, and we're gonna create on this UI. We can create on this vstack, and we're gonna create on this zstack. We're gonna create on this zstack, and vstack and then on this zstack. Okay, and we're gonna create on this text. For this we're gonna create on this text, and we're gonna create on this text. This is we're gonna create on this text. So first is we can use jokes VM dot person, and dot we can achievement. This is the code. In this empty code is empty. Okay, not is in this way, but it's a attribute in this expected attribute name. Okay, and we can create another text. Suppose we have we can calling on this another text is jokes VM dot we can use a person, and dot we can use a person country. Otherwise in this not field using empty strings, and same in this. Suppose we can apply in the first property in this text. In the first properties whichever this is a headlines, and weight is heavy, which is bold, and we can apply on this color. Suppose this is a green color. Okay, and we have same property in this another text, same property in this another text. Okay, and we're gonna create on the same text in this another text of this jokes VM dot person dot is a country, person, country abbreviation. So resume on this application, but it's not a resume on this application, but it's not resume on this application. First view stack, we're going to create another view stack. First call in this API, first design call in this API, we're gonna same code in this another API. We can calling on this another API. This is a jokes VM, this is the use jokes VM and jokes. We're gonna jokes and call on this. This is the ID. ID is type of integer, so default value is 0, and we can bind on this string interpolation. This ID is integer, and we can use of string interpolation. So jokes VM, and this remove this jokes VM property. So jokes VM is string interpolation using this property. So jokes VM dot jokes and dot we can achievement dot jokes property dot ID type. So using the ID type, and we're gonna calling this another property, suppose which have another property calling on this. So jokes, we can calling it jokes, and we can calling, and this is a setup, and we can calling it same property in this another same property calling in this. So joke setup against punchline, which have a punchline is another property in this JSON. So we can use of another property in this, and we can create on this instance. Okay, and we can calling on this which have we're gonna calling this vstack in this, which are calling on this vstack in this design, and we're gonna apply on this in this vstack empty, and we're gonna apply on this. This is the 20 spacing in this alignment, and which are on the apply on this spacing in this 20 spacing in this vstack upper, and 20 spacing lower, and this is 20 lower, and 20 spacing in this lower, and in this left is leading, and alignment leading, and alignment is center. What not alignment in the center? This is a vstack. We're gonna apply on this on appear method in this. This is the on appear. This is the greater than the on appear action. This is a on appear. And our first is jokes VM dot fetch jokes, and fetch jokes method we can calling on this all on this API, calling on this all on this API. So this is the fetch jokes, and we can call in this loader. This is a jokes VM dot activity indicator is equal to true. Okay, achievement on this code. So in this code is vstack is complete, and this is a JStack. We're gonna create on this loader. Suppose we're gonna get on this loader, and this is a progress view. So progress view. So in this calling on this view builder, suppose we're gonna create on this calling progress view, and we're gonna calling is hidden property by using is view builder. By using view builder, but it's not a single issue in this UI, but we're gonna create on this view builder, and we're gonna create on this extension view. Okay, and extension view we're gonna create on this view builder function @ view builder, and we're gonna create on this view builder function and which having this function is hidden progress view. Okay, is hidden progress view, and in this function we can apply hidden, and we can apply achievement on which is type of bool, hidden which is type of bool, and in this function return in this function sum view. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this if conditions, and apply this condition. This is a hidden dot. We apply on this hidden. Otherwise, in this condition, hidden is true. Otherwise, hidden condition is true. So self dot hidden. But it's not applied on the hidden. This is the is hidden, and is hidden condition otherwise true. So is hidden. Otherwise else. We can call it self. The condition is self our your view and this self. Okay, and in this progress view dot we can apply on this property in this progress view dot. So we can call in the view builder properties is hidden progress view, is hidden progress view. is hidden progress view. We can apply our jokes VM dot activity indicator is a bool property in this creating the activity indicator, which have a definition of this activity indicator. This is a bool property published in the property activity indicator. Okay, and we're gonna check on this. So we can apply on this progress view style, progress view style, circular progress view style, which have a circular progress view style and which have a tint color. Suppose this tint color is green color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on tint color green color. We're gonna apply on the scale effect. Scale effect. We're gonna apply on the scale effect. This is 7 scale effect. Okay, I complete on this UI, and in this run on this UI in this statement run on this UI. This is a jokes VM. This is a jokes view model, and which I am applying this property. This is a person model, and this is a jokes model. In this preview, this jokes model, and the indicator is equal to false. Okay, we're gonna run on this applications. So how to call multiple API by using async await in SwiftUI. How to call a multiple API by using async await in SwiftUI. The first API is calling done. First API is calling done, and next call API is but not calling this next API. What is check on this issue? So this is a view and jokes VM. We can assign this fetch data, and in this apply on this green color text on this color, not apply on this text color. So green color, and we can apply on this green color text, all text on this green color, but it's v stack. But is in this v stack we can apply the frame, and in this frame we're gonna achievement of 300 width, and we're gonna apply on this height. Suppose this is a 200 height. Remove on this alignment. Okay, and is another v stack frame. In this same frame in this another v stack. We're gonna run on this applications. So introduce asynchronous async function into Swift. This is second API is calling and first API is not calling. We're gonna check on this issue. Suppose this is a person model, and person model in this UI, and this person model, and in this jokes person, but not applying this second API, but it's not calling on this second API. Check on this issue. So Gyptum, but it's not calling on this API. First API is not calling, and so user mode jokes model. We can achievement of jokes model. Check on this issue. So async block. Okay, we can done on all this async block data person and fetch user API, fetch user API, but it's not in this fetch user API. Same, but in this issue fetch not is not same in the fetch user API. The dot fetch dot data. We can check on this method fetch persons. This is a fetch person, and fetch person which are calling on the fetch person in this API. Another API calling on the fetch person. So we can assume API session manager has no member fetch person. We can achievement with have member fetch person, which is member on this fetch person. So function fetch person through data and command shift K. We will run this applications. Build fail API session manager not fetch person. Suppose which have a in this API session manager we can create a function fetch. Suppose this is a API person data fetch, API person data fetch, and command X. We will apply on this top bottom in this way. Okay, command and command V. We will apply on this what is API person and command X. Open your tag and function jokes data, and we can apply on this data and command shift K, and we can check on this user models and fetch person not upon the fetch person. We can calling on this class fetch user API. But we can use of only fetch user API, but check on this issue. Fetch user API dot shared dot fetch user API, but what calling on fetch user API? We can check in this issue. Static function not is the static lateral share fetch user API. In the same function issue. So we can achievement on this issue, but is fetch person. We're gonna check on this issue dot fetch user API, but is fetch user API not apply on the fetch user API. In this case, match statement let data summon shift k, and we can achievement on this in this UI. So session API session manager in this class. API session is the first function in this function, second is in this function. So fetch person data, this is the state class function, okay, which have a class function, suppose which have a class function, and we can achievement on this class function dot share dot calling on this fetch API person data fetch. Okay, we want to run on this applications, but it's not issuing this UI, but it's not issuing this UI. So this is a static function. So introduce async function into Swift, allowing we can fetch on the same data in this fetch. This is 30 United States and United States code and US. We can apply on this property. Suppose we have achievement in this property in this view, show view, and this is the alignment is leading and spacing is 20, alignment is leading, space is 20, and alignment in this leading. Okay, we're gonna run on this application, and this we're gonna run this application. So this is the we're gonna run. So introduce asynchronous async function into Swift, allowing us to run complex asynchronous code almost as if it were asynchronous. This is a done into 2 steps, marking async functions with a new async keyword, and then calling the using the await keyword function in this similar code and similar other object. So we can check on this data, correct data in this UI. So we can calling on this data, and this is the API session manager. This is the first we can use first. This is the second is fat job. This is the first is gyptum. We can check on this, copy on this URL, and we can press on this Google, copy on this URL, press on this Google. We can achievement on this properties. So this is the postcode 331 and country United States and country abbreviation is US. Okay, 3 country on the fetch, and we can same is 3 country and 3312126 ID and postcode and United States and US is the country abbreviation. Okay, same on this, not apply on this UI, and this another URL is the another calling on this URL, another URL, and command C, but it's not implemented. This is a command C in this URL, and we're going to copy on this Google and command V. So in this calling on this URL, we can run on this application. This is the 157 this ID. This is update in this API. All properties in this update at a time. All properties in this update at a time, one by one, and this is a general and type is what are the Sundays and why do you not apply this Saturday Sunday. We can is running on this another application. So this is the same introduced in this UI. This is running on this loader and calling on this why is the loader. So today in this tutorial I am going to discuss about how to call multiple API by using async await in SwiftUI. This is a multiple API, and by using calling on this multiple API and calling on this async await functions, async await and async await in these functions, and this is JOX model which I have created on this model, fill on this data and show you this is a preview on UI Swift view, and in this way. So what is asynchronous and how to call a multiple API asynchronous by using SwiftUI. So introduce asynchronous async functions into Swift, allowing us to run complex asynchronous code almost if it where asynchronous, this is a done into two steps, marking asynchronous function with a new async keyword, the calling the using the await keyword similar to the other languages such as C Sharp and JavaScript to see new assign await help to languages. So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy my how to call a multiple API by using async await in SwiftUI.